Hi guys, I'm Yuki, Japanese hairdresser. How's it going? Today, let's make a bob hairstyle together. I expect that a classical design will be in vogue again in 2024. But it's not just a long bob. It will be better if we had a gradation or layer on the back of the head. Let's kick off. What I first did was to section the hair on the ears point. We're gonna be cutting the length for the neckline first. I would say we can make the length just the nape of the neck. Next step is to get off the weight at the corner of this area. Lift up the hair horizontally and cut off just the end of the hair ends. This time, if you cut it too much, it will eventually become different from. So be careful not to cut too much off. Okay, let's go to the next step. Sectioning is like this. Before making this area, don't forget to separate the side section from back section to avoid cutting it. We are taking it diagonally and are going to lift up it 30 degrees and cut underneath the hair. I mean, the hair we just made in the first step is guided in this area. After you made it, we're gonna be cutting the side of the hair towards the jawline. Let's go to the top section. We are taking the top section diagonally again and cut looking underneath the hair. The final step is that we have to cut the top of the hair. Once we put it like above, we should be able to find the corner of the hair in the top section. I will show you the lobes with the hair adjustment. You don't adjust the hair except the hair ends. If you do that, the hair form will be changed completely. So you should adjust the hair like this. I've made it. I'm gonna apply the hair products to the hairstyle we've created. In my opinion, it's better to apply the hair oil or treatment spray. Thank you for watching my video today. How was it? Of course, you can change the hair form to be more lighter from here. But you should practice this method for now. Have a try. Let me introduce my apparel brand a little bit. I offer nice clothes for people who love Japan. I put the link on the subscription. I'm going to add a new products little by little. Please check the website and follow its Instagram. Thank you.